Hi, my name is Lindsay. I teach government and AP psychology here at Vanderbilt High School. I just want to introduce myself in both courses briefly. Um, Obviously, with U.S. government, it is a senior level class, semester course that is required for graduation. Students will learn, the basic structure of government as well as the purpose and function behind it. For AP Psychology, AP class, we'll be looking at basically all the material that a student would acquire in an intro to psych class at the college level. We'll be hitting on the bio, psycho, and social factors that explain human behavior and thought processes. For both classes, it is important that students are utilizing the website that I have, class website, where I'll list daily what we'll be covering, as well as any slides and material that I'll use in class. I also have a Google Classroom that'll push out reminders to students and also provide any additional materials that we need to use in class. For my tutorials, I am available before and after school on most days. I will remind students or tell students if there's a particular faculty meeting or something that prevents me from being here. But yeah, typically I get here at 7:45. So from 7:45 to 8:15 are tutorials, and then after school 3:35 to 4:05. Um, HIT is also a fantastic time. Students will sign up in the portal. They can come in, make up quizzes, make up exams, ask questions, those kinds of things. For the contact information, best way to get a hold of me is email. I do have a phone, and the phone number is posted on my website if that's easier for you, but I can usually respond to emails faster. That's for students, parents, any kind of questions that may pop up. And if you are absent, the best thing for you to do is to utilize that email. Shoot me an email, let me know, how long you'll be gone, those kinds of things. We can make a plan for when you return to make up assessments or turn in assignments or catch you up on any of the material that you miss out on. And finally, to be successful in this class, the most important thing is to be present physically, be present mentally, and look forward to learning. Because if you're enjoying what you're learning, the process goes a lot easier. So I want to welcome you to the class, and if you do have any questions, please feel free to reach out, shoot me an email, give me a call, and yeah, go Vipers. Thanks.